Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. My name's Disney.
I'm T Stranger.
And we're here at Gideon's. And we are going to get the February month cookie, which is the Eternal Flame. True love never dies. Celebrate the month of passionate love with the Eternal Flame, a cherry-infused triple chocolate cookie laced with our special house-made ancho cognac and cinnamon spice mix and topped with chocolate-covered cherries. It's a deep chocolate flavor that is followed by the tingling warmth of a first kiss and sweet mix of cherries. The one you've been waiting for your entire life is here, and it loves you without condition eternally. Wow, that cookie sounds delicious. Let's go taste it. February month cookie. This will be so good. Alright, so let's have a taste. I'm gonna get the cherry. That is so delicious. I usually don't like cherries, but this is so good. You can really taste the spices too in it. Wow. That's a real pick. You can really taste the spice in it. Wow. Like my tongue is like, right? Okay, so this is really an eternal flame. Your tongue is like tingly, but the cherry with it is good. Are you okay, T? Is your throat okay? I really taste it. Wait, I need more. I need to
water, that's what I need. Let it bring water. Okay.
I mean, it's kind of messy, but they're all messy cookies, but my tongue, it's like, it is like spicy. It's spicy. You can get a cup of water for free, not a bottle of water, and it's ice cold when you really need water and desperate.
It's a hot day.
A hot day. Yeah, I just went to the basket over there, right by Gideon's. Free water. Do you try your Oreo cookie? Is that good? Alright, let me try it.
Oh my god, that's the best.
Yeah, right?
Last time we had this, well, last time only Disney had it, now we.
So this is the cookies and cream cookie. This is not limited edition and you can get this whenever you come down. Okay. It's good.
It's the first time I'm having this. Yeah, it's really good.
Good, bud. Good. And good. At least for this cookie, there's no like chocolate. It's just like kind of like crumbs that you just like brush off. It's not like chocolate that gets on your hands. But next time, I'm gonna try the coffee cake. That was really good. Never had that one.
Okay, now. think we've had like all of the basic cookies,
Yeah, I
right?
think we had all the basic cookies. The ones that you can get any time of the year. What's your favorite?
I don't know, it's either the peanut butter or the cookies and cream.
Yeah, they are good. Now this is the pistachio and peanut butter crunch cookies. My favorite is the pistachio toffee.
Really?
Yeah, because it's a great mixture of like sweet and salty, and it's not like overboard chocolate, like triple chocolate chip. But that was still good, and it's not. I think
the thing is with that one, like the salt on it is like grains of salt, and then when you bite into it, like and then there's like salt in your mouth. I didn't like that.
Well, then you gotta like balance it. So, like if you get a piece of like salt, you have to have some chocolate with it too to balance out the sweet and salt, and then it'll taste good. You just gotta like plan your
I
bite.
don't know. Okay.
You gotta make your bite count and make sure it's good.
I don't know. I was
But
Oreo with a peanut butter.
You gotta pick one.
So before I ate this,
Yeah.
peanut butter.
Peanut butter crunch.
Yeah, the peanut butter crunch. That was my favorite.
How is it?
It's good. It's very soft, and I like soft cookies. But I think now it's lit.
That Oreo is really good though. It is.
Like the cake in the middle, like
Yeah, there's like show the camera. There's like Oreo in the middle.
like it's like really good. Like,
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah. I think today was a win. That February cookie was it was like spicy.
I don't think spicy should go in a cookie, but like and cherry.
It was
like,
interesting, and I think it was like a good one-time trying cookie
Yeah.
to try something different.
What's next month?
Next month, I am not sure. I don't think they come out with it yet. I don't think they come out with it until like the day before or something. So you'll have to see in a week. Oh wow, we haven't tried the candied walnut chocolate chip. It's Wednesday exclusive. Oh, maybe tomorrow we should come back and get the Wednesday exclusive. Thanks for joining us on this Disney Stranger adventure at Gideon's.
Yummy cookies.
The Eternal Flame was an interesting choice, but I think it was great for the February cookie, and I cannot wait until next time. And guys, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.